This is after the BG hot oil flush. No more lifter noise, runs nice and smooth. All we did is we added the BG hot oil flush and let it run, let idle, and for 15 minutes.